Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto to another account on Coin98 Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your wallet page. From here, in order to send crypto, just click on the send button within the home page. You can now search for any token or crypto that you would like to send. And after choosing your token that you would like to send, you will be asked to enter the amount and other details. You can also use the QR code scanner at the home page by tapping on it at the top right corner. From here, just allow access to your camera and you will now be able to scan the QR code of this wallet. After scanning this code, you can just enter the crypto amount that you would like to send and proceed forward by entering your PIN. After you confirm your PIN, the transaction will start and your crypto will be sent to this wallet that you just used right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send crypto to another wallet on Coin98. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.